hold on. She's in a Porsche. Hold on.
That's a Macan, brother.
Wait.
You get those things for 20 grand.
Okay, I don't see your Porsche.
I got an M5, that's why.
Bro, the most affordable M5 in the world.
No, it's not. E39 or E28.
Kaden, $100, go get her number right now.
Bro, she looks like she's 30.
So she's gonna give Kaden $100 for going over there.
Oh my god, I'm getting the cop.
Alright, should I, Jake?
It's $100 if you get the number.
If I get it?
If you get the number. No.
Wait, bro's getting gas.
No. Okay, he might be getting a harassment charge after this.
Did you want to go for a ride sometime, maybe? Not right now, but another time. It's up to you. I could get your Snap or something.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh my god, he actually did it, dude. I'm actually, like, shocked right now.
I like the car, by the way.
Kaden, there's no fucking way. There's actually no fucking way.
I don't know how to do this.
Jordan, are you seeing this right now?
I'm not a Snapchat guy.
I'm in disbelief.
Kaden, I feel like you should be giving me $100 right now.
Bro, just scan it with your camera.
I don't know how to do that.
Kaden, if you don't get the Snapchat, you gotta figure this out real quick. Bro, actually just made $100 off me. I can't believe this right now.
Gas.
Yeah, let me know when you're free.
Kaden, there's no fucking way.
What just
There's no fucking way.
Brother, let me know when you're free.
Are you fucking kidding me? Kaden, do you need gas right now?
No.
Kaden, wait, hold on. Stop real quick.
This is not real.
What the Well, I'm gonna wait till she leaves because I'm trying to make her think that it was like a bet because yeah, actually was a good play.
Bro, her fucking...
Oh, no.
I'm gonna go chase her down.
No, wait, Kaden, no, stay right here. Kaden, come back here.
Her. No, go.
No, come back here.
She's gone.
Go chase her out.
You could have went over there at the stoplight and knocked on her window.
No, don't chase her down. It's weirder. Let her figure it out. Holy
That light's gonna come on, and now she's gonna take it to the dealer, and they're gonna cost her $700.
Bro, how did that happen?
What?
Well, that would have been so much better if you went over there and knocked on her window. But yo,
why? Don't scare the girl after you just asked her?
scare her. It was a f***ing gas tank.
I actually was shocked. She was like low-key feeling you.
The cap was off it.
I know, I saw that, but
yeah,
it's
bro,
weirder.
Her check
It's more weird.
Her check engine light's gonna come on. She's gonna go to Porsche. They're gonna charge her $700 to put her gas cap back on.
I'm sure she'll figure it out. Hey, you can tell her, be like, hey, something happened in your car when she posts she's at the dealership, then you can slide up and be like, let me fix that for you.
Did she add back?
No deal if she didn't add back. Did she add
you
back?
didn't do it on her phone? Damn.
She has no public profile.
What's the snap?
Let me see. She give you the alt account? Give him the alt account that no one else has.
What's the snap score?
I guess we'll find out. She adds you back.
Bro, a girl in a Porsche.
I know.
Well, those are like 20 grand, bro.
It's still. How much is that? You don't even have a bike right now.
Bro, is negative
Did I
balance.
show her my premium vehicle?
All right, I'll pay for the first date.
Yeah, if that works out.
Take her to the
see.
most expensive restaurant in Cleveland.
I'm actually shocked, bro. I should have lowballed that way lower, like $50. I'm gonna wait to post that so I can actually see if you get some success with this.
I didn't see her sign out. She showed me her phone first, and I didn't see her sign out of any account. So I don't think it's an alt. All right, bro. I'm on the bike. We're about to leave. She's about to leave. What do I have to lose? All right,
Bro. How hard? I mean, for God's sakes, you stay behind me.
Holy gas pumps! What the?
The hell?
You guys never seen this? Oh, seen this one? Almost dropped my
Holy
bike.
gas pumps!
Dude, this thing's low-key a Prius.
All right, let's see if she responded.
Did you text her?
That snapped there. Holy
What?
Holy notifications.
Did she text you?
Yeah, she said
Yeah, she
come over
snapped
right
me
now.
back.
She snapped you? Oh my god. Jordan, check this out. I got payment.
What's this for?
Being so sexy, you fucking.
Don't send that to her.
No.
Don't post that on your story.
She snapped me back instantly.
W Riz.
What did you say, Evan? You know what that was for, right? Because he got the girl snap at gas station. I'm actually shocked he got her number.
Say, are we staying here for a sec? Or...
Yeah, you go.
Go get your I'll be good.
Jordan, when are we gonna get you a girlfriend?
I'm talking to somebody.
Is she cute?
She's my... You know the kid on the Harley that when we met in Kent, my best friend?
Liam?
Yeah. No, I'm
Yeah.
talking to Jake. Him and his girlfriend stay in the same dorm, and they have another girl that stays with them. That's what I'm talking to. I'm gonna go down to Kent Saturday or Sunday to spend the night.
Oh. Bring protection, my boy.
Nah, it's our first time hanging out.
Holy freaker.
So,
Bro, them
freaky.
Kent girls are different. Yeah, I don't think this is alt. She has 200K snap score.
That's good. That's lower than me.
200K snap score?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't even think my girlfriend has that low of a snap score. Hold up.
That's really
You know
low.
what mine is?
What is yours?
80K.
Damn.
And I created my account in 2015.
Holy sh**.
I take it back, but dude, my girlfriend's 34K. I win.
34K is wild, brother.
Well, my snap score is 34, like in the 30s. I don't have 6-digit snap score, like you, unlike you whores.
But I have 80K.
80K? Damn, bro.
I created my account in 2015 too. When'd you create yours?
2021. I wasn't addicted to social media like some people.
Bro, it's telling you the weather. It's 79 out? What?
It's not 79 out right now. It's like probably 71,
that
maybe.
machine's bugging. Language, bro. Switch the language to like Chinese.
Oh, you got dark mode. Oh, shit.
Switch the language.
Wait, what the f*** did you just say? Wait, was that actual Chinese?
No.
Oh, okay.
There's some high-tech shit right here.
Dark mode is peak.
Dude, dark mode on a gas station, on a gas pump is insane.
Oh.
What did you do?
Kaden ordered food and it's like...
Went to sleep. This is like the tablet at Sheets, bro.
Kaden's trying
Get that food.
I'm dying, bro.
Give me the food!
This whole week, bro, I came up with so many good fat jokes and I couldn't use them because Kaden wasn't around. And now Kaden's finally here, I can't come up with anything.
You were just thinking the whole week of what you could say to me.
Yeah. Bro, why did you break the gas pump?
Dover?
Bend over, Tay. Bro, it has a mechanical, like, thing.
They're gonna think that you're, like, hacking the gas pump, bro. Somebody's gonna come on and tell
probably
you.
just, like, opened up the manager's...
It tells them inside when you're, like, messing with
Yeah, didn't you film a video here? And
Yeah.
He, like, came out because...
I was with the gas pump, I couldn't figure it out, and then I came out and
We're
yelled
so
at me.
back. Oh,
What?
talking about the clerk inside.
There's no way this machine doesn't have tap to pay.
Oh, it's right here.
Never mind. I was looking at that. Out of service.
I type in the special password.
You asked-
See? I told you!
Quit f***ing with it, just put your card in, get gas, let's go.
Oh, he doesn't need gas.
Oh, then why were we f***ing with the pump the whole time for?
What is NRHS?
Wait. What did you ask her? Is this the girl?
Oh, school. So
No.
Profile,
Looking at her
profile.
school.
Oh no.
Wait, what happened?
Oh no.
What do you do?
Wait, brother, NRHS is high school. North Royal, there is no shot.
Brother! Abort mission!
Hold on, wait. Click on her. Oh, she doesn't have one.
There's no way. Are you sure it's like not, there's like not a college on there as well? Are you sure it's like that's just her, because some people will have their high school and then have their like college graduation right there.
You might want to verify that before you
But
proceed
it's only
any
high
further.
school.
Why would a high school girl give her number to you on a bike? That doesn't make any sense.
Ah, bro, she does not look like she's a...
I thought she was like 30, bro, low key.
Yeah, she's driving a Porsche. No way.
I'll have to ask her how old she is.
Are you sure she didn't give you her daughter's Snapchat? Like, what the f***?
That's not bad to ask. Just ask her.
What if she lies and is like, when she says some like, I turned 18 in a month. Yeah, no, brother.
Not good. Hold on. We'll have to wait for the reply on how she's...
This might have just turned into something else.
Did you ask her how
now.
old she is?
Yeah.
There's no way. There's no way, bro.
Bro, why are my eyes so itchy?
Bro, we might have to sit here and wait for that reply.
We have to verify this real quick. I'm not comfortable leaving the situation the way that it is. I might have to take that hundo back.
Come here.
Technically not a crime in the state of Ohio. Like, you didn't commit a crime, but it's like very frowned upon.
If she says anything below 18, unadd it instantly.
Well, yeah. If you find out she's under 18, just delete it. It's fine.
Send me your snap, just like so I can show my friend that's underage.
Oh!